Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing video. It's more of a because Christmas is coming, so I wanted to do something where it's kind of have ideas on gift to give, if that makes sense. So it's an unboxing videos but also ideas for gift for Christmas. Get it? Okay. Alright, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to post every other day for the Christmas edition. So, yeah. So please like and subscribe. Alright, let's get started. The first thing that I have is something that I ordered at Amazon. It is, I know what it is. It's a book. So if you have, kids or whatever, and then if you have kids and your kids speak or you speak different languages and you're trying to make your kids speak that language or whatever, you can go to Amazon and order books that are bilingual, so they English and the language that you prefer, like English and Spanish, English and Portuguese, English and French, English and Creole. So I got this for my nephew because we Haitian, so I'm trying to get him to speak Creole and stuff. So this is the package. This is what I got him. One thing that I noticed about the book though, it's really not a lot. It's not there's not a lot of pages, but it's decent. It has a lot of pictures. It has a lot of wording. The way it is, it seemed like for a toddler, so if your kids is kind of 3 or 5 plus, because it's you see a lot of writing. I don't even think you could see it and stuff, but it's one part in Creole, one part in English, so I don't know. I think he will enjoy it. So another one that I have, it's called Am I Small? Eskimo PT. It's this one. It's so cute. This one seemed more heavier, so I'm pretty sure it has more pages and stuff. Oh my god, this is so cute. And that one is less wording. It's more kind of small phrases and stuff, if that makes sense. They have small phrase. They just it's like a translation, English and Creole. See? One part will be Creole, the second part will be English. Yeah. This is a gift that I got from my brother. It's the Nike Air Arachi Run Ultra. This is it. I don't think you guys can see it. This is it. My size is size 8. It was really hard for me to size 8, so I had to get a men's size. What size is this? Men's size. I got a men's size 8. Because I think the men's size 7 was too small or something. I don't know. But this is how it looks like. It's white and it's really nice and stuff. I really like how it looks. It matches with everything because obviously it's white. So that would be a great that would be a great gift to give somebody on Christmas. This is how it looks like. So this is, oh my god, I don't even think you guys can see how big this is, but that's what she said. This is how huge this package is. This package is huge. You see how big it is?
Yeah, Amazon be doing the most.
I swear Amazon be doing the most. Why? It's so huge. It's so big for no reason. So this is what I'll do. This is what I got him. It's so big. I didn't even know it was gonna be that big though. So he's about to be 3 and stuff. If you watch my videos, you will see like how he looks like. But it's my nephew and stuff, and I thought like it would be because he's okay. So my nephew, he's into like shark. He's into shark. He's into anything like sea creatures, sea, like ocean, anything like that have to do with things like that. He's into that. So I thought like, oh, I should get him an aquarium. So I'm not gonna open it because it's a gift. So if I open it, then it's just like it's a gift. I don't know. I just don't think I should open it. But anyway, if you want to see how it looks like, I got it at Amazon. That's the name of it. It's called Play Mobile. They do like different and stuff like that. They have like Barbie ones. They have just different kinds and stuff. And I think it's worth it because it's just like, it's not just one toy, and it has just like it has multiple things in it. It has like fishies, so you're gonna put the water, and then there's like different fishies, sharks. There's like people, and it's just like, yeah. So it's a great gift to give your toddler or kids or whatever it is. Okay. All right then. I'm gonna show you my next box that I need to unbox. Okay. So yeah, so this is the last one. This last one, I also think it's a great gift for Christmas, if you're trying to give somebody a gift. This is more like skincare stuff. This was also good, you know what I'm saying? But this package is from Soko Glam. I don't know if you guys heard about Soko Glam. They sell a lot of skin products and stuff, and I think makeup. But anyway, this is great for people who's into skincare and stuff. I just opened it. This is the first thing that come out. What is that? So this is basically samples. I guess when you order, they give you like samples and stuff. But this is like what, fermented essence. She might be using that. So anyway, so the first I guess mask that I got, it's a snail bee high content mask pack. So anyway, this is how it looks like. It's a sheet mask, so I can't wait to use it. Yeah. Then I guess I have 2 of the snail masks. Snail mask is actually really good. Keep your face very hydrated and soft. I have another thing. This is the acne pimple master patch. Is basically like, say right now I have a big, you see this acne right now, I could just take a little sticker and just put it on it. What it does is kind of like prevent my pimple get infected or like bacteria get inside of it and make it bigger or something. So if it's like swollen or has like redness or whatever, it will just like calm it down. So that's what it does. So that's how it looks like. How many does it have? It has 24 patches, so they like clear also, so it's not like I think you could put it and you could also put your makeup. They're very clear. Anyway, so the next mask that I got is the Squeeze Green Watery Sheet Mask. This is really good. Anything that has green, I think it's good because it made me think about green tea. But this is more for hydrate, I guess, to hydrate your skin. Especially we in the winter. This is really it'll be very helpful because my skin gets super dry. I get 2 masks, 2 squeeze green watery mask. The next mask that I got is the Bio Zoot sheet mask. What did it say, this one? This is for anti-wrinkle and stuff, but I don't have no wrinkle, but you know, 21 forever. I'm not 21, but I'm just saying. Ooh, this this mask is so freaking cute. Oh my god, it's so cute that I don't even want to like open it. Oh my gosh, it's so freaking cute. Look at this, guys. Tell me this is not cute. But anyway, this is a Aquel Drink Purify Mask. Yeah, this is for, let me see, fresh skin, purified with fermented plant and Chinese matrimony vine, which is good for helping remove skin waste. So I guess it's like if you have dirt in your skin and stuff like that, it helps that. But okay, how many do I have? I have 2 of this. Damn, yo, that person came through. And this is why Soccer Glam is a great place for you to get your mask, because like you could get a lot for your money. Another mask is the Lily Brighten Hydrate Mask. I guess this is to brighten your skin. This is how it looks like. Yeah. What does it say? It's just telling you how to use it and stuff. Next. Oh my gosh. This is so cute also. It says, I'm sorry for my skin. This is a black mud mask. It's for tightening your skin. Oh my gosh. I wonder if this is a sheet mask. Oh, it is a sheet mask. You leave it on for 30-40 minutes. Ooh. Is it all? Usually they mask this and you leave it for 15 to 20 or 30. Oh, this one is 30 too. This is 15 to, you see, this one is 15 to 20, that one. But yeah, oops. Let me see what's next. This is I have this mask right here. It's pink cactus lift mask, neat mask. Okay. Oh my gosh, guys, this mask is knitted. If I'm saying it right, it's knitted. Like it's, look how it looks like. Oh my god. So you know how like the sheet mask, it's very like thin, and it's just like, I don't know. This one is, I think it's probably more heavier in your skin. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to open this. I am scared to open it right now because, you see, follow me on Instagram, Team Maude. I will be trying on this mask and I'll be putting on my stories. So if you want to see how they look like, just follow me on Instagram. And that's it. Guys, you guys should check out Soccer Glam for your mask and stuff. And it's also like a Korean-based type of company. And I know Korean skincare like this, so please check them out. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I will have more videos coming up. Yeah, more video on like things that I got, on skin, on things that I bought, you know, just lifestyle, makeup, and so much more. Like I said, I will have videos every other day for the Christmas edition. So check it out, and also to follow me on Instagram and also Facebook. My Facebook page is Team Maude. My Instagram page is Team Maude. I'll put it right here. The channel name is Team Maude. So please follow me on Instagram, where you could see all of this mask on my story and stuff. And yeah, so thank you for watching. Bye.